So in any cleaning process, balance is key. There are a lot of different characteristics to juggle, and it only takes one of them failing to have a bad day. All right, so a balanced cleaner needs to have three important properties. The first is that it actually needs to clean. What's the point in using a cleaning solution if it's not going to do its job? So cleaners are formulated to have different properties to help clean different types of residues. For example, we have solvent-based phases that help clean non-ionic residues. We have aqueous phases that help clean ionic residues. And then we have a bunch of different functional additives, things like defoamers, corrosion inhibitors, or surface tension modifiers. They also contain pH buffers so that you can use your chemistry for a long time. All right, so the second property is compatibility. Now that includes both material compatibility, process compatibility, and environmental compatibility. So for material compatibility, we want to make sure that our chemistry does not affect any of the properties of our material. We don't want it to soften, we don't want it to melt, and we don't want it to change color or anything like that. The second thing is your process compatibility. You want to make sure that you're using a chemistry that was designed for the equipment that you're using it in. For example, if you use an ultrasonic cleaning agent in a spray in air, you might get a lot of foam. The third thing is environmental considerations. You want to make sure that you're conforming to all of your EH&S and environmental regulations. And the last part about having a balanced cleaner is the controllability. And what I mean by that is it's repeatable over time. Now, having a controlled qualification effort is great. Making sure that the first product off your line is clean is great. However, we want to make sure that the last product off your line is also clean. And that's what we mean by controllability and repeatability. All right, thanks for watching. If you like that content, make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on all of our social media platforms. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below or send us an email at AskDrAdam@KYZEN.com. Thanks again and stay clean.